Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 to 5, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name and light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.
Oh my goodness, you're back. Do you see me? Yes, just call me Blueberry. Blueberry. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl's feeling good, feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know what's up. And if you are a new subscriber, say hey. How you doing? Nothing, chilling at the holiday inn. Today's video is brought to you by Ebonyline. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit to review. All of that information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. Y'all, go get this wig. This is a banging bop. Bust down, Bobbiana. Come on, I want to see you bust down. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Y'all, I am feeling myself. I mean, can you keep up? Is you about to lose your breath? So the wig that I'm wearing today is by Bobbi Boss. It is their Fierce Bob with straight modern edges. Now y'all, those weren't no modern edges. Those was granddaddy long leg baby heads. Bobbi Boss, we ain't need all that, okay? Take that. You could have made them a little bit shorter for people that do like baby heads. But if you are new to my channel, your girl does not like baby heads at all, okay? So, this wig is premium synthetic. It comes with a 4-inch hand-tied deep lace part. This is a Salon Pro cut, natural baby heads. Comfortable cap, I do give them that. They said this is Boss Lace First Class Her, because they like it when you do that right there. I have this wig in the style MLF534. Oh my God. I used to go to the club all the time. It was called 534. If you from Richmond, Virginia, you know what's up. Yo, I stayed in there all the time. I used to be a club head, y'all, until I met my husband, and he calmed me down. He tamed me because I was a wild thing. Dun, dun, dun. I made this hard sound. I have this wig in the style MLF534 Willena. The color sky blue. So here is the stock card, you guys. This wig is heat resistant safe, but they don't give the degree amount. Just keep your heating tool on 1 to be on the safe side. But y'all, this wig is bomb. And we're just gonna rename her to Shanine. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Honestly and truly, I don't have that many cons, maybe just one, and that's it. And then we're gonna jump right into the pros. The only con that I have about this wig, y'all, is that it's thin. I really don't like the density of it. I think it could be a little bit more fuller, but it's not to the point that I dislike this wig. Y'all, I love this wig. I'm not even going to hold y'all, okay? Do I sound cool? Because I be trying. But it's not, I want it a little bit more thicker. That's it. Because I thought it was going to be like Bobbi Boss Lena, whatever you want to call her. But she is my jam. I have had that wig 3 times. And I love that wig so much. If you have not checked out that wig review of mine, I'll leave it down below in the description box. But y'all, that's like when I first started reviewing wigs and the lighting was bad, I looked bad, everything was bad. But I'll leave the link down below, and I'll even give y'all an updated review on Luna, whatever you want to call her, because it is the bomb, okay? It is the bomb. I love that wig so much. I repurchased it when I moved to Hawaii because I didn't have all my wigs with me. They was in my household goods on a ship in the middle of the ocean. So I love that wig so much. So I guess I'm used to that thickness because Lena is like more yaki texture and this one is kind of silky, but this wig is still bomb. Don't get me wrong. That's the only con that I have, so let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the color, y'all. Yo, this color is the bomb.com. Like, you can't deny it. Yo, I'm a flow rider. You don't want to mess with me. Look, I don't know that. I don't know if that's the words, but we just gonna roll with it. Okay? Even though this wig does not come with dark roots, I think they did such a great job with the color blend. And this wig comes in a lot of colors. And if you like colors, I suggest trying out, you know, step it in, do something different. Because I really stepped out my comfort zone with this bob. And I'm glad I did because I love it. Chill. Yeah, come on, Shajeezy. All right, the next pro I would have to say about this wig is the style. Who doesn't love a classic bob? Period. The next pro I would have to say about this wig is the lace. The lace does come kind of brown and it blended in with my skin tone so well. This face is really, really natural. I just added some pressed powder in there to brighten it up. And we are looking good. Hair is coming off kind of shiny. You can just add some dry shampoo or some powder to it and kick that on out. I'm probably not going to do nothing to it because I love this wig. I think it's so beautiful. It's vibrant and it's just lifting my spirits. Y'all know I'm a Grinch. So it's just putting me in a good mood. Not the holiday mood, but a good mood. If you like a classic bob with some color, go ahead and get this wig. It's affordable, it's beginner friendly, it's a plop on and go, all that good jazz. If you're not following me on Instagram already at Shanise Nicole _, the direct link to my page will be listed down below. Okay, so make sure y'all check me out. Your girl be on it acting up. Okay, you think I act up on YouTube. I really act up on Instagram. Oh, another thing, this wig is not laying as flat because my wig braids are really, really old. I don't have any hump action from the wig itself. These are my braids, y'all. I got so much new growth. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Once again, a big thank you to Ebonyline for sending me this unit to review. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no.